Hey, here it is. If I'm wide enough, you can't see it behind me. My new pizza making appliance, Gadget. You can't see it, can you? Well, here it is. From Presto, a Pizzazz Plus rotating pizza oven. And I don't know why I didn't have this yet, and I think I might have had it, but I don't think I ever had it. But you know, as much as I love pizza and ways to make pizza, I thought I had to get this. So today I'm going to unbox it, and I'm going to try it out. I'm going to put a frozen pizza in there. This will make it from raw dough, which we're going to do next. But today, just for unboxing and trying it the first time, I have a frozen pizza in the freezer. I'm going to put it on there. And as well as pizza, it says it's the fast, easy way to bake fresh and frozen pizza. Great for convenience foods too. Here they have, what is this here? Jalapeno poppers, mozzarella sticks, quesadillas, egg rolls, and even Hot Pockets. See, they even use the brand name, Hot Pockets. It's a rotating dish there, and it heats from the top and the bottom. Yeah, see here it says lower, dual, and upper. We'll see that when I open it up for you. Look, you have leftover pizza, chicken wings, little potato skins. I don't know what that is. Some kind of fruit. What is that? You might know what that is.
Looks like a cookie with peaches on.
Oh, and avocados or something?
I don't know.
Anyway, who's excited to see this? I gotta open it right away. Gonna open it, look at it, put that frozen pizza in there. Pizzazz Plus. I don't need no stinking instructions. Grilled cheese. Recipes here, homemade pizza, alright. Frozen bread dough thawed out. You know, we like that shortcut sometime. Or we can make our own dough. But I really want to do that after I try it with the frozen pizza. There it is. Look. You ready, Steve? Yeah. Whoa! Oh, look at that. Ooh, okay, that's how it drives. I was wondering how it hooks up to rotate, because I didn't see any wheels or belts. It goes in like maybe a tray on the microwave that spins around like that, you know? Look at this amazing invention. That's all there is to it. Excited. Oh, that's it. And here's the peg that drives it. See the bottom heating element there? And the top heating element. If you can see that, it's there. Do you think I even need instructions? Should I? Maybe while I'm walking to the freezer, you could read this for me. Let's see. Safety. Do not touch hot surfaces. Well, I want to rinse this off. Clean it with soap and water in the sink. This, that. This upper and lower. Alright, you want to read this quick?
Okay, sure.
Let's see. How to use. I think I'll do it right here. I can do it here, right? Or should I do it on the counter? What's better for a video?
Can you reach the electric?
I'll do it on the counter. Here, glance over this quick while I go get that pizza. Thank you.
So, we're making pizza frozen. Remove it from the box and the wrapper and the cardboard disc and place it on the baking pan.
See that post? And that? Yeah, it's easy. See that?
Okay.
All right, let's try it out. See how this, oh, that sounded like a church bell, listen. In the distance. I could do it on the table, but I want to do it here. Nice. Let me get this big frozen pizza. Look what I got. Wild Mike's Ultimate Pizza. Over 2 pounds, supersized supreme pizza. I wonder if it's gonna fit the pan. This is one time where you hope it's smaller than the box. Where's my knife? If it doesn't fit the pan, what are we gonna do? We're gonna go get some dough or something, probably. Wild Mike's. Ooh-wee! Oh, it fits!
Okay.
Let's do this over here. Come here. We got some kind of Italian spice, red pepper. Maybe I'll put that on at the end. Oh, this is so exciting. This is a great unboxing, isn't it? Figure it out, learn it, and eat some pizza. Wild Mike's. Look at
Is there
that.
cardboard underneath?
No, I don't have to spray it or nothing, do I? The surface? Probably not. Here we go.
Well, what is the cooking time on the box?
I'll have to look at it. Line it up with your finger. Easy. Right there. There. See how it seated itself? Alright, we should look at the timer on the box. Oh, look at me! Preheat oven to 400. Remove pizza. Place pizza in shelf of oven 14 to 18 minutes. For a softer crust, place pizza on pan, cook an additional 2 minutes. You think it would be harder if you cooked an additional 2 minutes. Let's plug it in. So it said 14 to 18 minutes. Set it for, well, that was a preheated oven as well. I want dual up here, and we're going to go 20 minutes. It's nice because we can see it here. Wouldn't it be nice to see it bubbling and getting brown? Please work good. Isn't it nice? Top and bottom. What an invention. That's when I saw it, I thought, I had to have that in my life. But I don't. Okay, so I set it for 20 minutes. We're gonna see how quick we think it's starting to bake. And we'll let you know. I'll show you a couple shots as it's progressing. See, the heating is all in here, top and bottom. It's great, I love it. It's been 2 minutes and I smell it already. I smell pizza. Pepperoni's getting a little sparkly, shiny, like it's baking up. This is fun. Not only is it easy and convenient, it's fun. Can't wait. Look at that pepperoni. It's been 6 minutes. And another good thing about this is, well, I mentioned it already, you could turn off the top element or leave the bottom on, or turn off the bottom, make the top a little more crunchy like you like it, or well done. I really like this. Look at it. It smells so delicious. She's reading the instructions. She just read you can make s'mores on here. And there's a cooking chart for different types of pizza. And remember, this was frozen. And also remember, we're going to make a pizza from scratch with fresh dough next. Okay? Not today, but next. Well, maybe today, right?
Maybe.
Yeah. And I have my thermometer here. Where's the thermometer? The temperature right there is 157. Let's see in the back. In the back it's 200, see? 201. Underneath, let me check underneath. 175 underneath. Neat. And there's no temperature setting. Just your time and top or bottom element. And that's great because you're looking at it the whole time. You can tell if it's done to your liking. Oh, that's getting, I don't want to touch it too much, but that's getting a little crunchy. Oh, can you see them bubble in there? Can you hear them? I don't know. Sizzle, sizzle. Halfway done. Oh. There's about 5 minutes left. I see it getting all brown. I don't remember if that was brown when I started. I guess when I see the video, I'll be able to notice. Starting to bubble. I'm sure the time might be different for a fresh one than a frozen one. I think maybe less time on a fresh one, do you?
Yeah, I can tell you.
Oh yeah, it says that on the chart.
Maybe we should show them how this chart is set up. Well, there's a couple pages, but if you can see here, it tells you frozen pizza. You use dual settings for 12 to 15 minutes, or rising crust has a different setting. Stuffed crust has a different setting where you use lower and dual for different amounts of time.
Okay.
And then over here's ideas for other snacks and meals that you can make on there and how long it takes to make them.
Nice.
And it even says, here's my highlight, how to make s'mores.
Okay.
You put a marshmallow on your graham cracker and spin it around till it's brown like a campfire.
All right. Just that little bit of talking, see, it got done a little more. But if you're not sure about your times and all that, just, you can see it, right? It's not like you have to open the oven every few minutes, and this doesn't heat up your kitchen like the oven would. It's getting done. Looks a lot different than when we started. Doesn't it? Okay, what does it say? 4 minutes left. Where do you see the difference? Should I leave this on? I think I'll leave this on and speed it up right now. Okay? A little pizzeria music here. Look at that. Could you see it when it was in fast motion getting browner? It's a wonderful thing. We have less than a minute remaining, I believe. Yes, less than a minute. I think it's going to be done, right? Well, the way it looks now. Those are crazy mics or wild mics. Ultimate pizza. Let's see if it's gonna ding or whatever it's gonna do. Hey, thank you. Thank you, Pizzazz Plus. Rotating pizza oven. Okay, now the heat went off. They said to let it spin for 20 seconds.
After you take the tray off.
After you take the tray off, let it spin for 30 seconds. Okay. Oh, I'm going to slide that onto pizza. Oh, boy. All right, we're going to let this run for 20 seconds like the instructions said. Isn't that beautiful? Can't believe it. All my life, and I never had something like this. 195. 192. What's the temperature for pizza mouth? We should look that up, huh?
I don't know.
We can leave it sit and admire it while it cools. Let's see. Can you peek underneath? Ooh.
It's got brownness.
It smells good. It smells like fresh dough, pizza. All right, I'll turn this off now, right?
Yep.
I love that. Remember, that pan's gonna be hot. You know, as much as I like pizza, pizza gadgets, eating pizza, making pizza, all different ways. I should have a pizza name like Rick's Pizza. No, right? Like Eddie's Pizza. Or Mama Mama's Pizzeria. Or Time to Eat Some Pizza. Huh? Or what? Time to Eat Some Pizza. Mama Mama's. Papa Mama's. You must know what the temperature is for not burning your mouth. 175, 169. Oh, I can't wait. Need the seasoning, Italian spice, the Wild Mike's Ultimate Pizza. Red pepper! Paper plate. Think you want a honk?
Sure, I'm gonna try it.
Will you cut the thing already? There we go. Want it like this big or this big? We'll eat a human size first. They're letting it cool. There's yours.
Thank you.
Don't be in a hurry now.
I know, I see how hot it is.
Okay. Ooh, don't burn your mouth. Should we take a breather? Come back in a minute or two?
Okay, we'll give it a
I'll get something to
minute.
drink too. All
Okay.
right. 112, 120, 114. Are we ready? See, it seats itself. See that? That's neat. Okay. I'll taste it. Smells delicious. Looks delicious. Sounded crunchy when I cut through it. I love pizza. Is yours okay to taste now?
Yeah, I took a bite.
Oh, you tasted it already. Okay.
I took a bite when you did. It's crunchy on the bottom. That's nice.
And that Wild Mike's pizza is real good. Good cheesy. Would you say they have real ingredients or something like that? You read?
Natural ingredients.
Mm-hmm.
That's what it's all about.
Crazy guy. So, you gonna try this? We can make snacks in there while we're watching movies. Frozen snacks like them poppers or you think French fries maybe? Pierogies. And all them good ideas that are in the instruction book. Recipe book. Thanks for watching. Look forward to more recipes. The next one's gonna be a fresh dough pizza. Okay? Okay. I'm gonna eat this right now. Have a good day.